What it do, what it do. Welcome back to the channel where everybody eat. If it's your first time rocking with us, man, hit that subscribe button, that notification bell, and drop a like to help us out with the algorithm. But if you already been making money with us in 2025 or already been subscribed to the channel, drop a comment below and say, everybody eats in 2025, man. Well, we going to jump right into it. We're going to talk about ACHR Aviation, ticker symbol ACHR, which closed out on Wednesday's session, January 8th, down 5.92% on the day, closing out at $10.48. We can see here, analyst still has it as a buy. We can see right here what makes Archer Aviation Inc. a strong momentum stock because it has been having momentum. If we look right here, let's say the last month, trending up, the last year, eh, rocketing up. It's a small company, but at the same time, man, they got a market cap of roughly $5 billion. Can't go wrong with that. You know what I mean? But we're gonna go ahead and jump into the chart. And as we look at the chart, look at that beautiful uptrend on that 50-day moving average, man. It can't get no better than that. But right now, in the pre-market on January 10th, on this Friday, we are now currently trading right below that 50-day moving average, which is, as you can see right here, is this orange line, currently trading at $10.12. Now, if you remember in the video, I stated if we get over 12 bucks, I'll consider going long and grabbing some call options. Well, on January 7th, we got over 12, but we got faked out damn near immediately, and I had to exit my longs, man, because it was showing me that this thing was coming back down, you heard? So I notified everybody in the Discord. Speaking of the Discord, we currently running a 7-day free trial on the Discord. I'll put a link in the description below, but the Patreon is going for as low as $2 a month. Everything you get, my latest moves. You see the general chat, talk about cryptos, penny stocks, long-term stocks. We got what's the word, where we have daily jewels. We have the watch list, stock alerts, things of that nature. And as you can see here from the stock alerts, I notified everyone at about 11 a.m. saying, if you recall from the YouTube video, we said Archer Aviation failed to go higher. We could test the psych level of $10, which is what happened. However, we can't reclaim $10.60, which is the 72-day moving average on the 4-hour chart. As you can see right here, this orange line right there, if we can't reclaim that, I'm waiting to go long at that level mentioned in the video, which is the $9.50 to $9.70 range, which is also the 20-day moving average on the daily chart. And that's this white line right here. So I'll be waiting for a retest of 950 to 970 before I even think about going long to see if we get a bounce, man. But again, that's the Discord. The link gonna be in the description below for the Patreon, where we are currently running a 7-day free trial. Now let's go ahead and get back over here to ACHR and look at the chart a little more in depth as we go to some of the smaller time frames. So we go down to a 15-minute time frame. Again, as you can see, we are currently under the 50-day moving average, and we are sitting right on top of that $10.06 prior support or prior demand zone. Here's that $9.50 range that I'm considering getting in for long. But if that doesn't hold, there's a possibility we could head back to $8.50. Really, at a more secure level, it'll be about $8.21 to be quite honest, before going down to maybe $7.90 and then ultimately down to roughly $6 or $6.50 before we had to break out after the $4.75 breakout. I'm able to call all them levels out like that because I notified everyone about ACHR in the Facebook group, Wake Up to Money, sometime in November, if I'm not mistaken, and it was around the $4 range. So as you see, December 24th, for those who missed their entry at $4, this possibly could be the last chance before this hits 15 and then 20. However, we all know that that didn't go out or paying that way from the looks of things. And then here, let me go. Let's find it right here. November 12th. Didn't start my position yet, but been watching it since last week. They're talking about flying taxis and flying cars and really putting billions into certain companies. ACHR is one of those aviation companies who may get financial backing. So I'm gonna drop a link below for the Facebook group as well, Wake Up to Money, which is free. Also, it's a private group because I don't like to deal with spammers and bots and all of that nonsense, man. I like to block out all of the noise. And speaking of ACHR, with any news, let's see if we have any. No news as of recent. The last news we had was on December 30th of 2024. I like FinViz because I get to get all the press releases or whatever's been discussed about any of the companies or ticker symbols that we're looking at, man. So that's that for ACHR. Here we go right here for the Patreon. Everybody eats. Again, we have the $2 tier. That's just to support us to keep the lights on. $10 a month, but it's a 7-day free trial going on for that right now. And then $25 a month. It's everything you get for the $10 a month, but you also get live trading sessions, live voice sessions. You get a 45-minute one-on-one consultation with any questions you may have, any stocks you want me to look at, things of that nature. You want to go over a plan or something, we can make that happen, man. But again, I want to thank you guys for tapping in and tuning in to the channel where everybody eats. Be sure to stay tuned for our next drop. Y'all be easy out there, man. One love.